In this video, I'll show you how to find something on Google using just a picture. First, open the App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android, and search for the Google app. Install the Google app if you don't already have it, then open it, and make sure you're signed into your Google account. On the app homepage, you'll see the search bar at the top, and right next to the microphone icon, you'll find a small camera or lens icon. Tap that to open Google Lens. When Google Lens opens, you can either take a new photo or upload an image from your gallery. If the item you want to find is in front of you, point your phone camera at the object, make sure it is centered and well lit, and tap the shutter button. If you only have a screenshot or saved photo, tap the gallery icon, choose the picture, and Lens will analyze it the same way it would a live photo. The cleaner and clearer the image, the better the results, so remove clutter from the background and make sure your subject fills most of the frame. After Lens processes your image, you will see visual matches, links to similar items, and additional information related to what's in the photo. For products like electronics, shoes, bags, or remotes, you'll often get direct shopping links and exact matches that take you to stores or product pages. For clothes and fashion items, Lens will show similar styles and alternate colors, which is perfect when you want to find an affordable or available version of something you saw online or in a store. You can also use Google Lens to identify plants, animals, landmarks, and artwork. Point the camera at a flower or tree, and Lens will return species names and related articles. Aim it at a building or monument, and Lens will show you historical facts, maps, and similar images. If you photograph text, Lens can copy the text, translate it, or let you search it directly, which is really helpful for menus, signs, or product labels. Another useful feature is barcode and QR code scanning. If your picture includes a barcode, Lens often detects it and shows the exact product listing so you can compare prices or check availability. For better matches, try cropping the image to the main object, increase the lighting, and make sure the camera focuses before capturing the photo. If the first result is not exact, scroll through the visual matches, tap the items that look close, or refine the search by taking another photo from a different angle or distance. That's how you use Google Lens to find anything with a picture. Install the Google app if needed, tap the camera icon in the search bar, take or upload a clear image, and review the visual matches and links Google provides. It is fast, works on both Android and iPhone, and is great for shopping, identifying things, translating text, and learning more about the world around you.